How you store your ingredients makes all the difference for freshness and taste. With the AEG ProFresh Plus Fridge Freezer, your ingredients stay fresher, crispier, and tastier for longer. Fresh and frozen foods need to be cooled differently. AEG ProFresh Plus with Twin Tech uses two separate air streams to ensure the perfect humidity and temperature in both the fridge and the freezer. The result is food that stays fresher for longer. The multi-air flow produces a uniform flow of air, which stabilizes the temperature and humidity throughout the fridge, keeping food fresher for longer. The clean air filter prevents undesirable aromas and bad odors. AEG frost-free technology prevents frost from building up in your freezer. Never defrost again. The AEG ProFresh Plus models are extremely energy efficient. Bright and energy-efficient LED lighting in the fridge provides excellent visibility. Separate modern and sleek touch displays give you precise and immediate temperature and function control for the fridge and the freezer. Fresh flavors, best preserved. The AEG ProFresh Plus.